The automotive accessory market, historically, has been a wasteland of disposable plastic, shoddy integration, and promises that fade with the first software update. Many so-called upgrades are merely cosmetic, designed to lure you in with a flashy interface, only to leave you wrestling with lag and frustration. This is precisely why a discerning eye is crucial. When you step into the industrial grade, the standard shifts dramatically. We seek integrity. We seek resilience. The ITrims unit for the Toyota Tundra, specifically the models from 2014 to 2021, represents a stark departure from that mass-market junk. It's not just another screen, it's a purpose-built command center, crafted with a weight and precision that signals a different philosophy. Consider the foundational elements that translate directly into professional return on investment. First, the generous 14.6-inch display. This isn't a novelty, it's a productivity tool. For the engineer reviewing site plans on the move, or the CEO navigating complex routes to a critical meeting, that expansive visual real estate minimizes eye strain and maximizes clarity. It means less time squinting, more time processing. Second, the sheer processing muscle, Android 12 Plus, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a robust 256 gigabytes of internal storage. This is not for casual music streaming. This configuration means mission-critical applications run without hesitation. Imagine swiftly switching between detailed mapping software, a client database, and a secure communication platform without a stutter. This buys back precious seconds, allowing for quicker decisions, reduced idle time, and ultimately, more efficient operation. Finally, the seamless integration with existing vehicle controls, from steering wheel commands to backup cameras. This isn't an afterthought, it's an engineered solution. It means less distraction, safer operation, and a system that feels inherent to the vehicle rather than bolted on. Holding this unit, you immediately sense the difference. That 14.6-inch screen isn't merely glass. It offers a satisfying cool touch, a tactile responsiveness that cheap panels simply cannot replicate. The chassis, a silver replacement part, feels substantial, likely weighing in at a solid 3 to 4 pounds. It has a robust metallic presence, not the hollow resonance of flimsy plastic. When you install this, you feel the secure click, the reassuring weight that suggests a component built to withstand the rigors of a Tundra. Now, a candid admission. Achieving this level of tailored integration and robust performance does come with a nuance. The instructions mention specialized guidance for installation. This isn't a plug-and-play trinket you can jam in with an afternoon and a screwdriver. This is a high-performance trade-off. Its bespoke fit and deep system compatibility, designed precisely for specific Tundra years, demand a meticulous hand during installation. It's not difficult for someone with a modicum of technical aptitude, but it certainly isn't something you rush. This level of precision, for a component so deeply embedded into your vehicle's infrastructure, requires and deserves a careful approach. Be aware that in 2026, specific components like these, high-performance automotive-grade processors, and custom large-format displays are becoming increasingly difficult to source. The supply chain has shifted. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.